Bonjour. In this video, we will learn everything about passé composé. So let's start. Passé composé is basically its past tense, and in English we can say it's present perfect tense and past tense, simple past tense. Okay. So its indicator is er, then near, or then near, feminine one. So we use être or avoir in this tense. Être or avoir plus past participle is the structure of this passé composé. So, how to make passé composé? First of all, we will see this. Passé composé, in passé composé, when it's er ending verb, it becomes e with exo. For example, manger, manger with exo, aimer, aimer with exo. Ir will become I, sortir, sortir, réussir, réussir. Attendre, Ari becomes you. Attendre, attendu, vendre, vendu, lire, lieu. All right. And there are many exceptions. For example, avoir, you, battre, battu, boire, bu, connaître, connu, courir, couru, coudre, cousu, croire, cru, d'avoir, dû, falloir, fallu, lire, lu, paraître, pariu, plaire, plus, pleuvoir, plus, pouvoir, plus, recevoir, reçu, savoir, su, se taire ou taire, tu, tenir, tenu, valoir, valu, venir, venu, vivre, vécu, voir, vu, vouloir, voulu. Rire, ri, suivre, suivi, dormir, dormi, conduire, conduit, craindre, craint, dire, dit, écrire, écrit, éteindre, éteint, et faire, fait, ouvrir, ouvert, mourir, mort, plaindre, plaint, être, été, envoyer, envoyé, neiger, neiger, naître, né. S'asseoir, assis, mettre, mis, prendre, pris. So we will see one example. Here is the example. Je, just a moment. Je, and then the verb is aimer, maybe. La robe noire. Okay, so aimer verb you have to change to passé composé. Here we are doing avoir verb first. So I'm teaching you all the verbs which are done with avoir. So je, it will be j'ai, remove e and put apostrophe because you know vowel. Aimer, it's regular er ending verb. One more example. Il, and then the verb is vouloir. We are using vouloir here. Une tasse de café. Okay. So vouloir verb, again we will do it with avoir because we are doing only avoir verb. So it would be il a voulu. You will conjugate at avoir verb with the subject given and then the past participle. Past participle is always same with every subject. Like with je, it's voulu, tu, voulu, il voulu, elle voulu. For with everything, it's same. Okay. So I'm writing the present tense of avoir verb. It's j'ai, avoir verb. Tu as, il or elle a, nous avons, avez, il or elle ont. All right. Okay. So now till here is you can see till here the video if you are learning only with avoir. But if you are learning with être, then continue. Okay. Now être verb. With which verb do we use être? When we go somewhere or come from somewhere. Basically, all verbs which are related to the movement, go and come, like aller, venir, entrer, sortir, arriver, partir, passer, revenir, retourner, rentrer. The venir is not related to this. So, okay. And go up and come down. Basically, climb and get down. Monte and descendre verb. To be born and die. Born is netra verb, sorry, and mourir is die. Stay and fall, reste tombe, and devenir, which means to become. So this is one thing how you can learn, and other way, wait, I'm sharing just a second. You can memorize it using the short form Dr. and Mrs. Vondraton. I'm putting it here. Okay, Dr. and Mrs. Vondraton. D for descendre, R for rentre, M for monte, R for retourner, S for sortir. You can memorize like that. Okay, this is the second way. Apart from these verbs, all pronominal verbs are done with être. All pronominal verbs, like se promener verb. And second thing, we always accord the past participle according to the subject. Past participle agrees to the subject. For example, let me give you one or two examples. Elle, uh, elle, and then we are, and then we are doing the word venir. Okay. So how would we do? We will do elle, a, venu is the past participle of venir. Then we will add an extra e to make it feminine. For venir, same verb we are taking for il plural. Ils sont venus with s because il is plural masculine. Elle feminine plural. Sont venus with es. All right, this is how we conjugate passé composé with être. And now let's see one example of past pronominal verb. The verb would be se laver. Structure of the verb would be se part. You will change se part according to the subject. If it's je, it will become me. Then être verb in present. And then past participle. See the example. Se laver verb. Je me suis lavé. Tu t'es lavé. Il s'est lavé. Elle s'est lavé with an extra e. Nous sommes lavés with an s because nous is plural. Vous êtes lavé with an s. Ils se sont lavés with an s because il is plural. Elles se sont lavées with an extra E and S. This is how we conjugate pronominal verb. I hope it's clear. Now you can stop if you are not learning transitive and intransitive verbs in school. And for this next part is for the people, for the students who are learning transitive and intransitive verbs in school. So there are 5 transitive and intransitive verbs. What are those 5 verbs? Sorry, 6 verbs. I'm saying 5. Those verbs are monte, descendre, passer, sortir, retourner, and rentre. And when do we use être here and when do we use avoir here? Basically, avoir is for the direct object. Direct object which does not need any help of the preposition. But if there is a preposition after the verb and then the object is there, then it would be être. If there is no preposition and then the object is there, then you would use avoir. Action on subject. First thing is for être. Action is on the subject only. For example, je suis passé par ta maison. I passed by your house. But j'ai passé du sel à mon ami. I passed the salt. I passed some salt to my friend. So action is on the subject first thing. You will use être. If there is a preposition after the word, then être. These are the indicators when we can use être with these 6 verbs. If action is on the object, avoir. If there is no preposition after the verb, avoir. Okay. See the example. Je suis sorti avec mes amis. I went out with my friends. First thing, action is done on subject, je. Second thing is, after the verb, there is a preposition. Okay. And second example with avoir. J'ai sorti la voiture du garage. I took out the car out of my I took the car out of my garage. So here action is done on the voiture. You are taking the car out. Second thing, there is no preposition after the verb. So it's avoir. So we have done être, avoir and transitive and intransitive all. If you have any doubt, you can ask in your comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video.